Want to download YouTube videos directly to your phone? First, open the YouTube app on your device, either iPhone or Android. To download your own videos, tap the U icon at the bottom right corner. Then select View Channel. Now tap on Videos to see all your uploads. Choose the video you want to download, tap on the three dots next to it, and select Save to Device. It will automatically save to your device. Go back and open the gallery and look for the recently downloaded video, and here you can see it. Now, if you want to download someone else's video, just open that video from their channel. Below the video, you'll see icons like, share, remix, and thanks. Swipe to the right until you find the download button. Keep in mind, this feature is available only with YouTube Premium. If you don't have it, you can start a free trial and test it out before subscribing. Tap on it, and the download will begin automatically. Once downloaded, you can find all saved videos by tapping the U icon again, scrolling down, and selecting Downloads. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more YouTube tips.